For local manufacturers, skilled workers are harder and harder to find, and in some cases, difficult to retain. In this post-pandemic environment, there are more job opportunities than there are workers to fill them. And these are good-paying jobs, family-sustaining wage opportunities. Jet 24 is examining potential solutions for solving the skilled workforce crisis. Lou Baxter takes a closer look at one positive piece of the puzzle at a local high school in the first of an ongoing series of reports.
Manufacturers know the pipeline supplying their businesses with skilled workers is going dry. But here at McDowell High School, McDowell Manufacturing may be part of the solution. It's actually a 3-year-old business inside of a high school, answering the needs of local companies.
McDowell Manufacturing is a student-run enterprise that creates real parts for real people here in Erie. And it started 3 years ago. And we've been able to work with our local manufacturers, create these parts that the students get really excited about, and provide them with a foundation of manufacturing that they can then take forward in their career.
Students make parts for locomotives, rollers for better baked foods, and pieces and parts for the consumer products and trucking industries. This work is not considered a competitive threat to local manufacturers who do the same thing, but in reality, it's a reason to be hopeful.
A number of manufacturers have made a trip here to check it out, and once they see it, they're even more excited about it.
What's clearly evident in this program is student engagement, as seen in this promotional video.
I thought that was something that really interested me, especially when I learned about getting my CNC certification.
It's a great introduction to manufacturing.
For me, I'm definitely interested in the engineering field, and this is an incredible opportunity to set myself apart from others in my field.
Being excited about manufacturing comes from a new educational model fashioned after the innovative ways of the sports and entertainment industries.
We have to take after the models of sports and entertainment to get students really involved into something and create that excitement inside of an academic setting is challenging. And I think we found a model here that works, that students really get behind and support. And it takes a lot of those aspects of enthusiasm that we see in sports and entertainment and brings it here to manufacturing.
McDowell Manufacturing, leading the way to preparing skilled workers for local companies who need them. Lou Baxter, Jet 24 Action News.
And thanks to the success and excitement around McDowell Manufacturing, similar programs are underway at least 3 other school districts in the region. Our new series, Skilled Workforce, airs the first and third Tuesdays of the month at 5:30 on Jet 24. You can learn more on the Skilled Workforce page of yourerie.com.